do an F-250 update. I got the fan off of it today, which is totally trashed. I don't know what the last guy did to it, but he trashed it. The clutch is still good. I'm thinking I'm going to get one of the fans that flatten out when you're going at higher RPMs. Also put a Cherry Bomb 2 3/4 inch muffler on it. It's not right yet, but it is on there. I'll fire it up here and let y'all see what you think of it. Let's try this. I've never quite done this here before. I hope it works. Ford Tech. Sounds good though. Now that's coming out of 2.5 going into a 2 3/4. I welded it on with my redneck ways. Got that fan off, but it spools up a lot better now. It spools up a whole lot better. Thinking it needs a fuel filter. Stupid camera's about to go dead. 2 questions. What size battery? That's a 550. I cannot get it to keep a charge. And if I do go with a bigger battery, electric or manual? I like manual, but I need a new fan and a shroud.